Creating a balanced diet with vegetables is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. To achieve this, start by incorporating a diverse array of vegetables into your meals, ensuring you include a variety of colors and types. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, while cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower provide essential nutrients and antioxidants. Aim to fill half your plate with vegetables at every meal, and don't forget to add seasonal choices that are often fresher and more flavorful. Furthermore, consider the preparation methods for your vegetables. While raw vegetables can be a crunchy, nutritious addition to your diet, cooking can enhance the absorption of certain nutrients. Steaming, roasting, or sautéing vegetables can unlock their natural flavors while preserving essential nutrients. Try mixing raw salads with cooked vegetables for a hearty dish that delivers both taste and health benefits. Additionally, utilizing herbs and spices not only enhances flavor, but can also provide their own health benefits, making your vegetable dishes even more appealing. It's also beneficial to pair vegetables with whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins to create balanced meals. For instance, serve a colorful stir-fry of bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas over a bed of quinoa or brown rice, drizzled with a splash of olive oil and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. This combination not only provides a spectrum of nutrients, but also keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Lastly, experimenting with new recipes and cooking techniques can make incorporating vegetables into your daily diet enjoyable and creative, helping to establish a lifelong healthy eating habit. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel if you found this helpful. Thank you.